Thank you for joining me today. Let's focus our attention on one of the key teachings of Buddhism, known as Anicca, often translated as impermanence. The concept of Anicca is simple, yet profoundly transformative. It refers to the fundamental truth that everything in our world, material or immaterial, is changing, evolving, and transient. Let us consider a tree. It buds in the spring, flourishes in the summer, withers in the autumn, and goes dormant in the winter. The next year, the cycle repeats, but it's not the exact same tree. It has grown, shed leaves, perhaps even sustained some damage. Yet it continues to live and change, illustrating the cyclical nature of impermanence. Now, this is not limited to the physical world. Thoughts, feelings, and perceptions within our mind are subject to the same principle. Have you ever experienced a feeling that was so strong it felt it would last forever? Happiness, sadness, anger, or excitement? Yet, these feelings change, they evolve and eventually fade. This demonstrates that Anicca exists not only externally but internally as well. The realization of Anicca helps us understand and accept the transient nature of our existence and experience. It reduces our clinging to material possessions, situations, and even our thoughts and emotions. By recognizing the truth of impermanence, we can reduce our suffering, or dukkha, and move towards a state of peace and acceptance, ultimately leading us to nirvana, the end of all suffering. Remember, Anicca is not a philosophy to be feared or saddened by, but rather a lens through which we view the world, allowing us to truly appreciate the present moment, understand the fluidity of life, and foster compassion, understanding, and acceptance. The beauty of life lies in its impermanence. Every moment is unique, never to be repeated. Every interaction is precious, every experience is ephemeral, and every breath is a testament to the ongoing cycle of life. In acknowledging Anicca, we acknowledge the ever-changing dance of existence, enabling us to live more fully, more mindfully, and with greater peace.